Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be showing you how to bleed the PCU on this CRV here. Now this will be the same procedure for all hybrids, and we're going to be using our launch scan tool here to do that job. So this car actually had a new head gasket, so I did need to remove it just to access it a little bit easier. So again, this would apply for CRVs, Civics, and Accords. Now, you know, the reservoirs may be in different locations or whatnot, and how to actually bleed them, meaning draining the fluid and replacing it, is different. But this is just for the bleeding procedure. You can go ahead and use this if you want to go ahead and do it yourself at home. So once again, here's the expansion tank. Some of them are a little bit higher or whatnot, but doesn't matter. All you're going to want to make sure that you have enough coolant in there. And we're going to turn on the water pump for the system here so we can get it bleeding. Now Honda does recommend doing it for at least 10 minutes or until you see the bubble stop here, and you will see most likely the coolant level will drop a little bit, and all you need to do at that point is just keep topping it off. All right, so we are inside the car here. Now the car has a whole bunch of lights on. Like I said, I just did the head gasket. I still have to initialize everything and bleed the engine as well. But for the sake of the video here, and you can use either launch scan tool, so I'm using the Gen 2, but the Gen 1 works, or even other scan tools, but this video is specific to the tool here. So you're going to hit diagnose here, and then you're going to go to Honda. You're going to hit OK here. Let it do its thing. Ignition does have to be on, vehicle off, or, you know, not in a run mode. After that, we have the 16-pin DLC, USA. You will go to system selection here. Now we're going to scroll up. And we're going to go to electric powertrain, integrated motor assist. And now we are going to go to special function here. All right, coolant air bleeding. So this is what you need to do. So exactly what we need. And now we're gonna hit the start button here. It looks like it's already actually going. You can see the RPMs here on the pump, and it accelerated to all the way to 5,200, almost 5,300 RPMs, even higher here. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the reservoir there, or the expansion tank. You could actually see the coolant swirling around in there. So we're gonna top it off because it did drop a little bit. And once again, we're gonna go at least 10 minutes or until the bubbles stop here. So we're gonna top this off right now. And here we go, we topped it off. So once again, let it run for a while here. And then once everything is done, we'll stop it, and we'll go ahead and just top it off if needed, and close it with our cap here. All right, now it's been about 10 minutes or so. And if you want, you can always use a flashlight here just to see where the level is at a little bit better here. So I don't see any air bubbles or anything like that. So I think we're good to go. There's just that one bubble circulating in there, but we're good to go here. So we're just gonna stop it. Go ahead and come in here and hit stop. All right, 0 RPMs. We're gonna back out of it, or sorry, exit out of it here. Okay. Turn the switch back on. All right, now what I like to do is just make sure there's no codes in there. All right, so we have no codes. If you had codes, you back out of it once again, and then you would just hit clear fault codes or whatnot, and that is it. So yeah, once again, the draining procedures are all a little bit different. They do have their own radiators. So you know, as these cars come in, I'll try to do a video for all those cars, so the Civic, the CRV, and the Accord hybrids, and get you guys to, you know, show you how to do those. I would recommend replacing the coolant whenever you do the engine coolant, so around 60,000 miles or 5 years or so is a good interval. But yeah, very simple to do. If you have one of these scan tools, great tool. If you don't have one and you own a Honda, do yourself a favor and pick it up. Again, one of the many things they could do here, including bleeding this, you could do SRS stuff. You could put the brakes in the maintenance mode, an abundance of different jobs. So this video was highly requested by a few people, so that's why I am here putting it together for you guys, and I use this on a daily basis. So hopefully this video helps somebody out there, or multiple people out there, and I'll catch everyone on the next one.